guys, it's Melissa Martini on behalf of DesignBundles.net. Today for Design School, we're going to be looking at the Object to Path feature in Silhouette Designer Edition. What you'll want to do is go ahead and open up Silhouette Studio, and then we are going to locate the Replicate panel on the right-hand side of the screen. Once you open up the Replicate panel, the third option over is your Object to Path. We'll go over to our left toolbar, and for this one, we'll go ahead and select a circle. I'm going to hold down my Shift key while drawing the circle to make sure it is a perfect shape. And then we are going to select our object, click on Show Grab Handle, and you'll see it appear right here in the middle of your object. Now you just drag this over to your shape, and now you can see it's replicated itself so many times. So what you can do is a few different things. If this is too many times for your liking, you can turn the number of repeats down so it is more visually stimulating to the eye. You can also adjust the way the object appears on the path by unselecting the perpendicular option. So you can see it will go around in a circle, or you can have them straight up and down. You can play with the angle here of how the item appears and the increment angle as well. And if you start moving things around and you don't like the way that it looks, you can just slide these sliders back down to 0. Once everything looks okay, you are able to make it a compound path. If you want to just pull one thing out, let's say you needed a shape like this, but maybe you wanted to put the letter M here, you can do release copies. And then we'll just take this one out and delete it, and then you can put whatever you want here to combine them all together. Delete the circle in the background, hit Command A and Command G, and now you have a object that is one whole path. All right, guys, I hope that this taught you everything you wanted to know about the Object to Path feature. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button before you leave so you are notified of future tutorials. Have a great day.